baby. I think everybody should have access to healthy, delicious food every day. That's what I believe in. I believe food is like a minimal. It's a minimum. What? Yeah, the freedom to have enough food that you can go bark at your neighbors. Oh my. Who is it? Who is it? Go play with them or tell them to stop. Okay. Freedom of expression. Yep. It's a car. Yeah, somebody's driving by. It's okay. Yeah. How you doing, Lolly? Lil'est baby loves carrots. Oh, good job. You got that one open. You're doing a really good job. Yesterday was very busy, huh? You slept real good last night. Lots of cuddles. Yeah. Yeah, we lost a bunch of doors on here. Oh well, that's okay. I think you have to move the bone first. Kibble is the second today, huh? Okay.